Hi friends, I am Mathiazhagan, Assistant Professor and Department of Computer Applications, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science, so autonomous. So today we have a loan for software engineering SDLC waterfall model. So SDLC software development lifecycle waterfall model. So it is the main topic of in software engineering. So SDL waterfall model. So SDLC has a different model designs which have their advantage and disadvantages. So waterfall model is a traditional SDLC model which will be discussed in the chapter. So it is the straightforward and basic structure which can be easily understandable by the software developer and tester. So it is the first model of the SDLC to be introduced for the software development. So this type of we have used. So first one is the SDL is the different model, and then we have discussed for disadvantages and disadvantages. So waterfall model is a traditional of SDLC, so software development lifecycle model. So we have discussed for this chapter. So we have a easily understandable for the basic structure of software developer and tester. So classical waterfall model, which is also known as the linear sequential lifecycle model, is an essential software developer model and which can be understandable from the structure itself. The model is the straightforward and idealistic. So when this model was the first introduced, it is the to be the very popular, but time the new model has come up with the change in the future of futures and requirement, and hence so it is the used digitally less but still a popular one which everyone must know. So all the old software has been developed based on the model life cycle. So it is the sequential model which segregate software development into the different enhancement phases we have used, and then it is the designs with some unique functionality and use the model of 1980 by the Winston Royce. So next one is the waterfall model. So designs. What is the waterfall model? The different chronology phases of the waterfall model are the so below with the interconnection between them. So first base is the requirement gathering, second base is the design, fourth one is the third one is the build, fourth one is the interaction and test, fifth one is the deployment, and sixth one is the maintenance. So it is the all of the SDL waterfall model we have used. So next one it is the various phases of the waterfall model which are explained below. So requirement gathering stages and feasibility studies and design stages. First one is the design stages, second one is the build stages, fourth one is the third one is the integration testing stages, fourth one is the deployment stages, fifth one is the maintenance stages. So this phase has been purpose of requirement and gathering stages and feasibility studies. We have this phase has been the purpose of the establishing whether it would be the monetarily as well as the technical practical to be expand and development of software. This has been achievability study with the understanding of the problem as well as the determine the devices potential strategies used for the solving the problem. So next one is the design stages. There is a through study of the entire requirement specifications from the first phases, and then the system designs is the epicot. The phases help developer to the specific hardware as well as the systems equipment which the ultimately help to characterizing the systems as a whole. So third one is the integration test stages. This phase is also known as the coding phases of the software development. So where the ideas is converted into a source code and UPA plus UX designs using programming language and tools. Hence, every designs model need to be a coded. So fourth one is the build stages. So once the coding of the application is done, it is the integrated with the all other model with different functionality. So during the each step of the integration, so yearly plan of the model are incorporated into the part, including the structure of the software, and then the entire is the tested. So alpha tested and then beta tested. So alpha tested in this the testing, the software is the tested by the developing team. For example of developer. So beta testing, it is the testing. The software is tested by the friendly customer and other target. So user who will use for the beta version of the your product. So acceptance testings. So once the application has been distributed, the customers to be the accepted test for the determinant of the product. If the product should be used for the accepted as the delivered for the further modifications. So next one is the deployment stages. So as the functionality, as the non-functionality tests are completed, the software is installed in the customer end or environmental or get released in the market. So next one is the maintenance stages. So another important phases of this model is the maintenance model. So updating the product, purchasing by the bug and the errors, and the developing other essential component as per the feedback to the make this full software is done in the stages. So it is of the three types. So corrective maintenance. So corrective maintenance is the where the maintenance is done for the fix for the error. So perfective maintenance. So perfective maintenance is the done where the maintenance is done to the increase the efficiency of the any systems according to the customer requirement. So adaptive maintenance. So adaptive maintenance is the typically necessary for the application to a new work environmental or porting on the type of OS. Thank you.